Hello everyone. I am talking from Main Online Internet Marketing, and today I will introduce you all to one of the prestigious companies, that is Trade Royal Bit. Trade Royal Bit is paving the way for success by offering best investment plans and MLM platform. Trade Royal Bit deals in cryptocurrency and forex trading. On this platform, our investors can earn handsome amount of money on daily basis through minimum investment in most secure way. Now I will explain the detail of each component as shown on our website's interface. So let's proceed. So as you scroll down, there will be a brief introduction of our trading website. Once you read it, you will understand how and in which ways our company trade in digital currencies at global level. These are the 6 main pillars of our trading. We will work with efficiency with the help of experienced expert members on the Trade Royal Bit's secure platform. Our dealing with clients are no doubt are secure, transparent and simple. Moreover, in case of any query, our staff is always available to listen to our investors' valuable feedback and complaints. As you further scroll down, you will get to a point, our missions. Our mission is to minimize the risk and derive maximum revenue or the highest return from the activity on the cryptocurrency exchange markets. And next comes our vision. Trade Bit Royal vision is to manage investment funds and ensure high returns in the long term to our valuable investors, and the investment profit depends on the investment packages, which I will tell you further. And now, if the question is popping into your mind that why you will choose us to invest your valuable money, so there are 4 points why you should earn through our valuable website. So point 1 is total profit up to 4%. So when you will invest into our valuable prestigious company, you will earn the profit up to 400 times. Simply select a package and deposit the amount and get up to 400 profit on your investment. And by 400 I means 400 times the profit with the amount of money you are investing into our cryptocurrency world. And the second point is refer and earn. You can use this platform to earn the more commission, as when you will refer our platform to another your friend, family or colleague member, you will get an exciting referral commission up to 12%. Third, we will provide our valuable investor a customer support 24/7. If you are facing any kind of issue, our customer support team will resolve them on priority basis. Point 4 is that the investment in our website is risk-free, so you don't have to worry. Your money or investment will always be secure and will be in best of the hands, as we are offering a risk-free business opportunity to you all. Moreover, on our website you will get competitive advantage and a maximum profit on your cryptocurrency and Bitcoin trade. You will get good payout profit. You will get 24/7 support and a competitive commission if you go for our referral option. And the most important thing is we ensure high security and credibility to our valuable investors. And one of the biggest advantages involved that we have professional team, instant payout option, and instant payout option you will get your investment money right after the 24 hours. And the third one is you have secure control panel because no one can intrude into your account, and your investment will be safe on our secure website. And the instant payout, you will be getting your money with your profit included, which will be 4 times more than your investment money only within the 24 hours. Our company includes total 7 business plans, and these plans are Sky Prime, Global Prime, Dynamo Prime, Star Prime, Proto Prime, Eagle Prime and Grok Prime. Now I will explain each plan to you in detail. In Sky Prime project or business plan, you will get $24.9 maximum investment, and the minimum investment includes $50. The daily profit includes 0.75%, direct profit includes 3%, and the first level active for the trading profit will be 1%. Total profit return will be 4 multiply the original investment. So in this plan you can invest between $50 to $249. In Global Prime we have increased the investment money, in which the maximum investment would be $499 and the minimum investment will be $250. Daily profit includes 0.85%, direct profit includes 4%, and the second level will be active for your team profit will be 2%, and the total return profit will be the same, which is 4 multiplied by the original investment or the original amount you are investing into our plan. In Dynamo Prime, the minimum investment includes $500 and the maximum investment includes $999. The daily profit is 0.95%, direct profit is 4%, and the third level will be activated, which is 3% for your active team. Total profit return would be the same, which is 4 multiply the original investment. Then comes the Star Prime. Star Prime, in this program or plan you will invest minimum $1,000 and will maximum invest $2,499. The daily profit you will be getting is 1.10%, direct profit 5%, and the fourth level will be activated, and the total profit which you will be getting will be the same. Proto Prime includes the minimum investment of $2,500 and the maximum investment of $4,999. The daily profit is 1.25% and the direct profit is 8%. At this point in this plan, the fifth level active for the team profit is 5%. Total return profit is 4 multiply the original investment. In the Eagle Prime, you will invest minimum $5,000 or the maximum investment will be $9,999. The daily profit you will be getting is 1.35%, direct profit 10%, sixth level will be active for team profit 6%, and the total return profit is 4x. In the Rock Prime plan, you will minimum invest $10,000 and the maximum investment is unlimited. Daily profit would be 1.45% and the direct profit includes 12%. Seventh level gets active for the team profit 7% and in this business plan, and the total return profit would be the 4x. So now here comes the services we provide. Our efficient global system provides our investors with secure, easy, trusted platform which trades in forex in cryptocurrency with 100% investors satisfaction guaranteed. And when we talk about referral commission and team management, team includes our CEO William Jack, our Chief Operating Officer Ethan Henry, and our Chief Financial Officer Laila Franke, our Operational Manager Alex Rossi, and then we have our professional trading staff, which includes Victoria Clara, James Hunter, Elodie Belli, Archer Yosker, Alice Eva, Abigail Luna. And now, how you can get in touch with us? It is just simple as it seems. Contact us by just simply writing your name, your email address, and your message or query or your valuable feedback and send it. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.